Don't tell her.
Brian.
Hey, Brian, what are you doing tonight?
I want to Bye, Ryan. Thanks, Joe. I hate you.
I love you.
Motherfucker. I want cheese, motherfucker. You falling down and you
there's a you involved here.
You gotta
Hold
go
on.
that way
I gotta,
to go home. Sit on it and rotate, motherfucker. Take a picture of it. Oh, no.
It's only $500, whatever. Yeah, phones are fucking.
I broke it.
Can I
broke it.
give you a hug and it'll be okay? Go in, go home, go to sleep.
Were you trying to get text?
She just killed my $500 phone. Cool.
I killed his phone. Joe,
No.
I didn't mean to. I slapped it.
It's alright. It's all good. It's all
I
good.
slapped it. No, I
No,
slapped
it's just don't swing it around anymore.
No, I know. I broke your phone.
Yeah, but it's not gonna do any good. It's not gonna do any good swinging it around anymore. Let me have it.
I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to break your phone.
It's alright. I understand.
We should have gone home a half hour ago.
Yeah, I know.
I'm really
It's
sorry.
all right.
I'm really sorry about your boo-boo phone.
It was only a matter of time before it got
Fucking
smashed
Brian,
to pieces.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to